Hi, good evening everyone. I am Jasmine Mogas, and this is our daily devotion, and our topic is Paano Lumalim sa Biblia. So, special series, 3 of them, Covenant of Works. So, in Romans 5:12, it says there, in NIV, in a loud voice they were saying, Worthy is the Lamb who was slain, to receive power and wealth and wisdom and strength and honor and glory and praise. So, the Lamb that was telling here, that was the Lord itself. So, we need to know that the concept of the covenant of works, as outlined in the Bible, it highlights actually a key truth about humanity. So, we are inherently incapable of perfect obedience. So, God's requirement for perfect obedience in this covenant established with Adam, and really build on that we are not naturally equipped to live up to his standards. So this is evident in the fact that Adam, despite being created in God's image, so um, despite of being created in God's image, it failed to remain obedient, leading to sin entering the world. And the covenant of works therefore serves as powerful illustration of our need for a savior. So it highlights the impossibility of achieving righteousness on our own and emphasizes the importance of God's intervention through Jesus Christ. So through Christ, we are offered forgiveness and a path to reconciliation with the Lord. And the covenant of works, while revealing our shortcomings, it also points us towards the hope found in the covenant grace. And nagsishape yon in perspective that allows us to see God's love and mercy in providing a way for us to be saved. Not through our own efforts, but through His grace. So, we are not entitled na sabihin na we are saved, we are worthy, because the Lord is the one who did that for us. Because not a single person is worthy aside from the Lord. So, we need to do is to compare ourselves to God's standard, contemplate the gravity of sin, and lastly, cherish the greatness of the covenant of Christ. I hope we learned something for today. And I hope we obey the Lord with all our heart, with all our soul. And that is our topic, paano lumalim sa Biblia. Have a good day and bye for now.